So we're gonna pull the windshield off now. Basically, the seal setup for a lot of these old things is pretty common to a lot of old cars. It's essentially a quite wide seal with a slot down the middle, and in that slot is inserted a locking bead or whatever you want to call it. Basically, there's a rubber ring that slides into that slot that just spreads the seal wide so the windshield can't move in and out. So to remove the windshield, it's really quite easy. You just have to find where that locking bead starts and then just follow it all the way around. I'm gonna hang on to this because I'd like to know how much I need of new stuff, because I will be putting the chrome locking bead in and bus glass windshields. Just want to get it past the seal because it's still trying to flex it pretty hard for everywhere else that's kind of still held down by the seal. And there you go. The windshield wipers are a simple setup here. It's a little bit hard to get them off because they've been painted, like the shaft here has been painted. I don't know when the last time these have been off is. But since all this is being repainted, I can use a pry bar on the back side just to kind of keep even pressure so it doesn't bind. Alright, we're gonna remove the steering column now. Sorry the audio crapped out for a bit. I need a couple 12-point sockets to get rid of the spike and the air throttle, and then it'll come apart at the hinge down here. Gonna put these collars back on, that way we don't lose any special parts. Trying to track down a 12-point bolt. Not even entirely sure what their logic is behind using 12 points. Usually it's just to mark things you shouldn't be messing with. This 3/8 is just a hair tighter than a 10 mil, and a 7/16 is just a hair bigger. So when you're thinking 10 mil, think between 7/16 and 3/8. This corner I put in last year, or 2 years ago, so it shouldn't be too bad. They did get into it though. I found mouse up in the A-pillar. This is the corner that your cab harness goes up through for your speakers. It's got the larger of the two harnesses. See how much of this cab is actually steel. Almost the entire thing. I'm not sure when they switched to doing more aluminum than steel. Actually, I should double check. I'm sure this is. Yeah. See, so much of this is steel. Well. These corners are just not the centerpiece, but cab corners, the back wall are steel. The floor is aluminum yet. That bulkhead's obviously steel. I'm not too worried about this stuff considering it's been so long ago since the mice were in here. Apart from some new stuff, but 95% of the mess in here has been happened a long time. So I'm not too worried about getting that sick from it. got it. So thank you for watching. We'll be back at it next time. Have a Merry Christmas.